Welcome to the Waco ISD Pre-K Teachers Academy 2021.
The clock can take us near and far, hurrah, hurrah. We buckle up before we go, whether we're going fast or slow, we'll all be safe while riding in our car.
This year's theme is Recipe for Success. As you can see, we are all chefs, and the many ingredients that go into being a successful early childhood teacher, and today a successful pre-K teacher in Waco ISD means going over things like Texas pre-kindergarten guidelines, looking at our scope and sequence for the year, components, or as we like to say today, ingredients about the vocabulary, the read-alouds, the many lessons that children in Waco ISD pre-K classrooms receive as part of a high-quality, full-day instructional day in Waco ISD. Today we have 58 pre-K teachers from Waco ISD learning all about those ingredients.
We learned about everything it will take throughout the school year that will help us just be successful. Our scope and sequence, everything has been laid out for us, just so much information and best practices used to help our pre-K kids.
The purpose of the Waco ISD Pre-K Teacher Academy is to equip pre-K teachers with the necessary tools that they need to be effective, not only in the classroom, but also connecting with families of our youngest learners.
I've learned a lot of new expectations and ways to deliver the curriculum to my students. I'm excited to use the new curriculum that Waco has provided us with.
On day one of the Academy, teachers are going over everything from lessons that they'll be teaching, how to teach those lessons, what those lessons look like in a full instructional day, and also going into day two, they'll dive deep into our curriculum resource presented by a Frog Street consultant. All of these ingredients impact a successful pre-K classroom.
It's tailored to suit the needs of all the students. It's broken down to help children, whether they've been in school before, if they've never been in school before. It just has so much structure just for young learners. It's their environment.
What an amazing opportunity for these educators to receive all these tools and resources and be able to walk into that classroom and deliver quality instruction to our youngest of learners.
I can't wait to teach them about letters and their names and how print comes all together, things that they've heard before, to actually see that it has more meaning and that they can interact and work with it and make it their own and independently learn as well as learn with me.